Dropified Dropshipping Review. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you a quick glance at the Dropified platform, what it is and how it works, and if it is worth it for your dropshipping business. So let's get into it. Now, what is a dropshipping business and what is the Dropified.com platform? Well, the Dropified.com platform is a platform where a customer can place the order on your website that is powered by Dropified. You are just going to forward this customer order to your supplier, and your supplier will ship the order and track it to the customer and make sure it is delivered to your customer. And this is the basic model of any dropshipping business. Now, what is the Dropified platform and what can it really do? Well, Dropified is going to put your dropshipping business on autopilot. So they're going to make all of the work that you would do usually in your dropshipping business, like forwarding your orders to your actual suppliers, giving them addresses, doing all the repackaging, and all of that stuff directly onto the Dropified platform. Now, you can import awesome products, you can auto-fulfill orders with one click, and then you can set quick default settings. So if a product listing for a maybe t-shirt is expiring, then you can have it restocked. If something is going to be on sale on your website, you can add that sale automatically. If you want to forward the orders placed by different customers on your website to your suppliers directly, you can automate that process as well. Now, you might be wondering, okay, this is a good platform to use, but what is the price for this platform? Well, there are three basic pricing plans on Dropified. First off, it starts at $0, which is the research plan. Now, you can get started for free on the research plan of Dropified.com. You can access Dropified's Chrome extension. You can access Dropified's dashboard. You can easily and quickly source and research your huge catalog of products from Alibaba, AliExpress, eBay, and the US product marketplace. You can also research and save up to 500 products on your custom product boards. You can automate margin markup. You can also have a product image editor. You have one user account and loads of step-by-step training from getting started with researching for winning products to getting your dropshipping business running. So overall, their free version is pretty decent. You get all of the basic instructions and tools you might need. Now, after that, they have their build plan, and their build plan starts at $19 per month. And if you build this annually, you will get it at $228. You will be saving $84 if you build this yearly. Now, all of their build plans include 500 orders monthly, so you can have up to 500 orders. You can save up to 1,000 products in your product catalog. You have one store and two user accounts, so you can have ownership status and then add a manager or someone else to the basic user account. Then you also have basic support, and you can automatically fulfill orders. And then you also have the new Alibaba automatic order fulfillment via API. So now those are just some of the highlights of the build plan on Dropified. Now, on their Grow plan, which is probably one of the most popular plans they have, which starts at $47 per month, they have all of the features that are previously mentioned. Then you can also place unlimited orders, so you have no order limit, and you can have as much catalog or as much inventory from your clients or your suppliers as you want. Then you also have 3 stores with 4 user accounts, so you can have 3 different stores powered by Dropified. So 3 stores means you have 3 websites separately, so you can do 3 absolutely different businesses. Like one of your website could be a car website and you could sell car products over there, then the other could be a fashion website, and the other one could be a sports website. And then you're going to be able to easily be able to sell different items to different markets and be targeting all of the markets that are available at the same time. Now, next up, you can also save up to 10,000 products. You have priority support, you have Ali Extractor Pro, you have custom product descriptions, you have advanced in-app photo editors, you also have product bundling, order audit, profit dashboards, create a unlimited product listing for Google and Facebook, and then an affiliate program as well. So if I was to suggest to upgrade, I would also suggest to just directly move on to the Grow plan, because the Grow plan has one of the key features, which is placing unlimited orders. And this is one of the highlights that a lot of people miss, is having an unlimited order limit is pretty essential when you're trying to start a dropshipping business. And if you're gonna upgrade, might as well upgrade to the more expensive yet more useful version. Now, how do you get started on the Dropified platform? So it's very easy. You can just click on try it for free over here at the top right, and then you're just going to pick a plan, and then you're going to click on get started over here. Now, after that, you're going to add some of your personal details, and I'm just going to add my details and get started. Now, once you enter all of your personal details, you're going to be logged into your basic Dropified dashboard. And on your Dropified dashboard, you can see on the left you have your navigation board. So You have your dashboard, you have your store management, you have settings, you have all of your product details and all of your order details, and then your business dashboard. So you can start ordering products by just going onto the product section, and you can go and click on import products over here. And from there, you can see how to import products from different suppliers like AliExpress or eBay. Let's say that if you want to import products from Alibaba Group, you're just going to click over here, and this is going to open you and redirect you to the Alibaba platform. So you're just going to find any product that you like on Alibaba, and once you have decided on a product, you can just link it to the Dropified.com platform, and it will do all of the work for you. So you won't have to actually contact any of those suppliers on Alibaba. You're going to be working directly from your Dropified dashboard. So once you have any product in mind, you're going to open it up, and then you can start sourcing it from a platform like Alibaba and then reselling it from Dropified onto a more premium market with repackaging or rebranding for the product that you originally got. So once you have the product in mind that you might want to sell, you're just going to view all of the details, make sure it is correct, and then you can click on start order directly from Alibaba or import it from the Alibaba platform onto your Dropified dashboard. So once I have decided on this product, what I can do is I can just add this to my cart for my Alibaba account. So you can just log into your Google or Facebook account or just create a Alibaba account. And what you're going to do is you're going to go back onto your Dropified application and you're going to scroll down. You're going to click on Alibaba products, and then you're going to move into your settings section. Now on your settings sections, you're just going to click on connect account so you can connect it to any of your store accounts. So let's say if you run a Shopify store, you can connect that, and you're just going to connect your account, and then you're going to be able to start selling your Alibaba items onto your Dropified platform. So that is how easy it is to get started with Dropified. Overall, it is a pretty decent system. You can see that their dashboards are pretty neat and clean and easy to understand. Their store management system is pretty key, and if you're looking to run more than a single store, you can always upgrade your plan and run over 3 stores from a singular account. You also get to have different products and a good product categorization from the Dropified platform, and you can also place orders directly from Dropified. So you can see over here that you can automate your ordering if you go for the premium version of Dropified. So overall, I would suggest that if you're looking to actually do dropshipping as a long-term business model, go with the grow plan, pay the extra money, and start making more money off of this easy and simple dropshipping business system. Or if you're just trying to look into dropshipping, you can always start with their free version and then later on upgrade to the grow version. The reason that I don't suggest the build version is that it seems a bit overpriced for the things that it provides, and you can only still run 1 store. So it's going to be a lot more easier for you to run 3 stores and target different markets and different niches to make sure that you're paying on the Dropified platform. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to start your dropshipping business with the Dropified platform. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.